Hey guys, today we'll be learning how to code a Python Discord bot. So the first thing we need to do is open File Manager and go to your go to the directory where your Python files are stored in. Yeah, and then you need to make a new folder. You can name this folder anything you want. I'll just name it bot. So then you just leave it like that. And then we have to open up any of your browser, and then you have to go to this discord.com/developers/applications. So then when you go there, you have to log in, and then you have to click on new applications in the applications tab, and then we have to name your bot. I'll just name it Gamers bot and then create. So when this is done, you can change the name and put a logo and all. And then after you're done with that, you have to go to this tab named bot, and you have to click on add bot. So after this, just copy your token, your bot's token, and then go down and go to bot permissions, and then click on all your permissions you need for your bot. And just for now, you can keep it administrator. Afterwards, you can change it. Then you have to go to OAuth2, and you have to click on bot and give your permissions. Then your bot will be made, so you can just copy this and then open a new tab and go here, so you can now invite your bot. I'll just do this, like I made a testing bot server, building this bot server, yeah. And then you have to complete a reCAPTCHA and done. So if you go to Discord, it will show Gamers bot joined the party or anything. It joined, so the bot joined the server, and now we just have to make the bot come online, and we need to add commands. So we have to go back to the web browser, and then go back to the web browser and get your bot's token. It's in the bot tab. Just copy it. So this token, you should not share it with anyone. This token is used for running a bot. You should only like share it with your organization or someone you trust. So you just copy the token. For now, we'll just reveal it. You can play with my bot. I'll regenerate it later. Okay, so before we start using the bot, you need to install a Python application. I use VS Code. You can even use the normal Python app from python.org. So you also need pip setup Python interpreter package. So when you have all that, like in the command prompt or in the terminal, just type pip install discord.py. So for me, it's already done, so it will just show it's all already satisfied. Yeah. So we will start coding. We will make a new file, and then we'll save it as a Python file over here in the bot where the folder we made. So just name this bot.py. Save. Okay, so we now have our file. So we will first import Discord. Then from discord.ext, import commands. Yeah. So we just imported the module Discord, and from discord.ext we imported commands, so which is used to like make commands and run them. So we will now, like, this is like the initial setup. Let's say client equals to commands.Bot, and then command prefix. So, and then two quotation marks, double quotation marks. So in the middle of these double quotation marks, you can put any like the bot's prefix. So like if there's a like command dot hi, so there's a command hi, then you have to type dot hi to make the command work. So we'll just keep the prefix as dot. You can keep the prefix as anything you want. Then we have to make the bar come online. So just type client.event async def. Oh, wait, it's on the next line. Type async def on ready. And then type print bot is online. Okay, so what this does basically is when the bot goes online, then the bot goes online in Discord, then it just prints bot is online in the shell or terminal. Okay, so I will, yeah, and another thing, we have to make a bot run, we have to put the token in. So just client.run, two strings, and then our token. Copy. Okay, so there's our token. Save it and then run it. Yeah. So yeah, see, it showed bot is online. So now if you go back to Discord, yep, the bot is online now. So now the bot is only online, like it can't do any commands or anything. We need to make the commands. So let's go back here, stop it. Okay, so to make our first command, we need to type at client.command and into parentheses, and then async def, and then the name of your command. So let's just start with a simple command called hi, and then pass in context ctx, and then so this command will just say hello and then the user's name. So ctx.send string hello. Okay, so let us run the bot. Bot is online. So our prefix was dot. So dot hi. Oh wait. So there's an error. You don't have to do ctx.send. You have to do await ctx.send. So let's just try it again. What is online and not hi. So there's our first command. So you can make new commands and play around with the bot till part 2 comes. And that's it. So like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Bye.